So I shall run away into my shameless solitude, where I commune with no one but myself.